Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone has battery and is updated to the latest iOS, because firmware updates require a current iOS environment. Then put both AirPods Pro in their case and open the lid next to your unlocked iPhone. Once done, keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on and connect to power if possible. This helps the update process stay stable. You're now ready to trigger the firmware check and let the devices communicate. You need to create the right conditions for the update to transfer. Plug your iPhone into power and keep it on a Wi-Fi network while the AirPods case stays open nearby. Then, leave the AirPods in the case and don't interact with them. The update is pushed automatically when Apple servers detect the eligible setup. To verify progress or completion, check Settings, Bluetooth, tap the AirPods Pro name, and read the firmware version in the info pane. You finish by verifying the installed firmware in Settings Bluetooth under your AirPods Pro. Make sure it matches the latest version. If the update didn't apply, reset the AirPods. Forget the device on your iPhone, hold the case setup button until the status light flashes amber then white, and pair again. If problems persist, try a different charger or Wi-Fi network and keep the iPhone and case adjacent. This often resolves connectivity or transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.